Hi friends! Today we're going to talk about Google Calendar. Google makes it super easy for you and your teacher to communicate about things that are coming up in the classroom, and due dates and field trips and all sorts of good things. So what you'll see right here is the Google Calendar. Now remember, you can access it from your apps launcher and choose Calendar, or you can access it from your apps launcher down in the bottom, and again you can scroll through, click on all apps, and find Google Calendar. All right, I have it on the default, or I have it on the month view. It will default to the week view like this, where you see Sunday through Saturday. If you'd like for it to default from the month view, you want to click on Settings. You can scroll down to default view and choose your default view. You can even have it be the day. That's fine too. If you just want to see one day at a time, that might be better for you. That's fine to do. Don't forget to click Save when you make changes. All right, so what I'm going to show you how to do today is how to create an event and how to invite someone to the event. So I'm going to show you how to add your birthday to the calendar, and then your next task in the academy is to invite your teacher to your event. So you're going to create a birthday event and invite your teacher so your teacher knows what your birthday is. So my birthday is on June 16th, so I'm going to click on the June 16th box, and this is going to pop up. Is this an event or a task? And it's in black, so I know it's an event. Remember, if it's in blue and the finger or the mouse turns into a finger, that means you can click on it and change it. We're not going to do that. We're just going to keep it as an event. This is my calendar, my name. Now here's all the calendars I own. That's a lot. You don't need to worry about that. You just need to make it on your calendar. And say my birthday. Edit the event. And here you're going to make some changes on the dates and times. So if it's an all-day event like your birthday, you're going to keep it checked off. But if there's an event with a specific time, like your teacher might say we're leaving for the field trip at 9 o'clock, she might change the event to 9 o'clock. All right, but my birthday is an all-day event, so I'm going to keep that here. And you can say turning. We'll leave that blank for Mrs. Copen. She's not going to put that in there. You can have a pop-up notification, a reminder. We probably don't need that though. Not for our birthday. We're pretty sure. Now your birthday, you're still available. Even if you don't want to be, you're still available. So you're going to keep that here. And here's where you're going to invite your teacher. Add guests. So I'm going to write my teacher's name in here. I'm going to type in my friend Mrs. Hartman. And again, you have to use their Southwest Licking Gmail account. All right. And I'm going to look at this list here, and do I want my guest, the person I invited, to modify or change the event? No, I don't. Do I want them to invite others? Not really. Do I want them to see who else is invited? Not really. All right, and that is all I have to do there, and now I'm going to click Save. Do I want to send an invitation to my guest, to Mrs. Hartman? Yes, I do. All right, so you can see here that it's like a yellow color for me. That matches up with my calendar here. Okay, feel free to, on your calendar, change the color. You can change it to whatever you'd like. It's really up to you, okay? Really up to you. Now, your teacher's probably going to share with you a calendar for the classroom. You need to make sure that's going to show up here in other calendars. And to see what's going on in the classroom, you're going to have to click on it so that the color fills in the box. Then you can see the events for that calendar. So for the classroom calendar. So you see I made the iPad cart calendar my calendar, so I can see all the things that are going on. All right, now that is all you have to do for Google Calendar.